Hello and welcome to E Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Jada Kingdom drops her first single, Jungle, since being signed to Republic Records. The thought-provoking track premiered on Friday and chronicles life in the streets of Jamaica, which is plagued by gun violence. Number 19 in music in Jamaica on streaming platform YouTube. This is Jada's first official manager, Mark Jordan, and the management team of Wide Eye Entertainment. Both Jada and her boo, First Simmons, shared the exciting news, stating that this is the biggest deal for a female Caribbean artist ever. Now, dancehall artist Zyclone's newly released album, The Sounds of South America, has hit the Billboard Reggae Albums chart this week. The project debuted at number 9 after the first week of sales, with 1,064 copies sold. The set features 11 songs and was released October 15 via Congress Society. This is Zyclone's 5th entry on the Billboard charts. His 2020 released project, Congress Society, peaked at number 5 on the U.S. Current Reggae Albums chart. Now, still on Billboard's Reggae chart, Eastside DJ Skillibang's first full-length studio album, Crocodile Teeth, made its debut on the chart at number 15. The album has accumulated sales of 123 in the first week. Released in October, the album has been getting rave reviews on the local scene. Now, British singer Adele has topped the Billboard Hot 100 songs chart with her latest hit, Easy on Me. The single, which debuted at number 68 in the first 5 hours, has now claimed the number 1 spot. Easy on Me is Adele's 5th number 1 and follows her last chart topper, Hello, which ruled the